So now similarly this third circuit is same thing. 5 turns with center tap, total 10 turns, and this circuit is mixing of these two circuits because 5 turns and the 220 ohm resistance. Just as this circuit I use 220 ohm resistance, and this circuit I use IR-44 and or IR-3205 or 2SC. This circuit is 2SC2500, but this test is 2n3055 and PN. Collector is at 12-1. Base is connected to 220 ohm resistors to feedback winding, and ammeter is negative and center tap is positive. This tape is also at 712 volt. When you feed a voltage primary coil, the positive voltage can pass feedback winding to 220 ohm resistors to transistor trigger, and that states then the negative voltage for ammeter to collector to feed a primary coil. That states it acts like an electromagnetic and some output voltage. So now it's 2n. I replace 2n3055 transistor as a 220 ohm resistor, and right now I connect the positive, so you can see it. Although it is not a good idea because I am wondering my charger can be chilling or not. I am tell you first, you cannot make this, or if you make, you can use battery if you have experience, because this thing is very bad effect. I am so it is can spark only 1 centimeter roughly. All this part is thick, it's not a full item, so that spark length is dependent on. For this test, turn is maybe I am safe turn as milliamps, not an amp. 500 milliamps of turn. Similarly, there's only 1 milliamp of turn with spark length of 0.5 centimeter. And well, I don't spark length. Now this spark length, see carefully, because one centimeter similar, just as pin number 4 to there. So almost 12 kilovolt. And right now plug off and switch the other circuit before it starts.